गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी, हाउ आर यू? कैसे आप लोग? आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। लेट अस बी स्टार्ट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। When we giving the input with the help of the keyboard, with the help of the input devices, that the data will store somewhere, that is known as the memory. After store the data somewhere, it will process. After process, that will calculate the data. Yeah, any things that will store, that will process. After that, it will produce the output. That is to somewhere we can say. Suppose you are giving the input with the help of the input devices. Then the data will be stored somewhere, that is known as the memory. After that, it will store the somewhere. Suppose that you are giving the input with the help of the input devices, that like the keyboard, mouse. After that, the data will store somewhere, that is known as the memory. After store the data somewhere, the process will start. After process the data, that will produce the information that in the form that will produce the information that with the help of the output devices. So we can say. So, are you getting? Computer is an electronic device which takes the instruction as an input and produce the information as an output. So we can say again, computer is an electronic device which takes the instruction as an input and produce the information as an output. समझ में आया? Are you getting? Next, देखिए, according to the invention of the computer, we have to classify in the number of the generations. Let us, in the first generation, 1940 to 1956, first generation, 1940 to 1956. In this generation, we use the vacuum tube. जब when we use the vacuum tube, that the system will be bulky, heavy. लार्ज होगा, स्पीड कम होगी, स्पीड लेस होगी, एक्सपेंडिचर्स मोर होगा. ठीक. इन द सेकेंड जनरेशन 1956 to 1963, it vacuum tube convert in transistor. ट्रांजिस्टर में कन्वर्ट हुआ speed more than first generation, expenditure less than किससे वैक्यूम फर्स्ट जनरेशन और साइज लेस देन फर्स्ट जनरेशन. इस एग्जाम्पल है IBM 1401, IBM 1401. Are you getting? Next, third generation, 1963 to 1971. The transistor converted to integrated circuit. Transistor converts in IC, integrated circuit. Example, IBM 360, IBM 370. Are you getting? If you are feeling the some problems, you can ask in the comments. In 4 generations, 1975 कहीं देखिए कहीं बुक्स में दिया 1972 to 1990. कहीं दिया 1975 to 1990. Integrated circuit convert in VLSI, very large scale integrated circuit. Very large scale integrated circuit. Very large integrated circuit में एक साथ लाखों मिलियन या 1000 ट्रांजिस्टर आ जाते हैं. (1990 to 1995) जो हुआ है 1990 से 1995 जब सुपर कंप्यूटर जनरेट हो रहे थे, सुपर कंप्यूटर इन्वेंटेड हो रहे थे. इसको पहला कंप्यूटर और सुपर कंप्यूटर का एज कहा जाता है. सुपर कंप्यूटर का टाइम पीरियड कहा जाता है. टाइम पीरियड. आर यू गेटिंग द फर्स्ट टाइम्स? नाउ वी कैन अरेंज इट. After 1995, after 1995, it is the age of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means when the computer is thinking, feeling like a human. जब कोई कंप्यूटर एक मनुष्य की तरह सोचना, डिसीजन लेना और फीलिंग करना शुरू कर देता है, that is known as the artificial intelligence. When any computer is take the decision like the human, feeling and thinking like is the human, then it is known as the artificial intelligence. At this time, we are the invented a robot. Are you getting? Now we can arrange it. Just a minute. Now we will study the components of computers. First, we will study input devices. What are the means of the input devices? Input devices is that which with the help of these devices you are giving the input to the system, like is the keyboard, mouse, joystick. Input devices that with the help of these devices you are giving the input to the system. Input devices like is the mouse, keyboard, joystick. Now memory. What is the memory? What is the memory? The main function of the memory to store the data. How to store the data and what is store the data. देखिए मेमोरी का यूज क्या है? स्टोर ऑफ द डेटा. There are the mainly two types of the memory. Primary memory, second is secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory. Primary memory that is inbuilt in the system, यानी कि ये CPU के अंदर इनबिल्ट रहती है. There are the two types of memory. Primary memory को divided into two types. Primary memory is divided in two types: RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory. Random access memory. Random access memory and read only memory, दोनों डिफरेंस क्या है? देखिए जब सिस्टम में डेटा स्टोर किया जाता है, सीपीयू के अंदर डेटा स्टोर होता है, लेकिन जब पावर चली जाती है, when the system turn off, the data will be erased. At that time, that will store the data in the random access memory. It is also known as the volatile memory. Because the data is erased when the power supply of the CPU or system is the turn off. Then the data will be erased. In the read only memory, it is read only memory, permanent memory. When the power is turned off, the data will not erase. So it is known as the permanent memory, read only memory. It also divided into two types: SRAM or DRAM. SRAM is known as the static random access memory. In static random access memory, there is needed to continue flow of the light. यानी कि हम सिस्टम में कंटिन्यू फ्लो होना चाहिए लाइट का static random access memory में. But in dynamic random access memory में data is stored into the cells. यानी डेटा स्टोर होगा सेल्स के रूप में, और किसमें स्टोर होगा? ट्रांजिस्टर एंड कैपेसिटर. समझ में आ गया? dynamic random access memory, yani data will store in cells into transistor and capacitor. Are you getting? If you are feeling the some problem, you can ask any question in the comments. नेक्स्ट, कंट्रोल यूनिट. जिस प्रकार से हमारे पास अपना माइंड होता है, यानी एवरी डिसीजन वी आर टेकिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ द माइंड, ऐसे ही कंप्यूटर सिस्टम हैविंग द एम ब्रेन, दैट एवरी डिसीजन इज टेकिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंट्रोल यूनिट, यानी एवरी डिसीजन विच इज टेकिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंट्रोल यूनिट, देन इट इज नॉन एज द कंट्रोल यूनिट. यानी कि यू आर कंप्यूटर एवरी डिसीजन इज टेकिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंट्रोल यूनिट. Next, arithmetic logic unit, यानी every calculation is done with the help of the arithmetic logic unit, and the combination of this control unit and arithmetic logic unit, यानी the combination of the arithmetic logic unit and control unit is known as the central processing unit. Central processing unit. Are you getting? Output device. Output device. With the help of these devices, you are getting the output from the system. Like is the printer, plotter. Plotter is also like is the printer. Monitor. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन अक्सर बार बार पूछा जाता है कि ऐसे दो डिवाइस के नाम बताइए जो इनपुट का भी वर्क करे और आउटपुट का भी वर्क करे, यानी कि एनी डिवाइस विच इज वर्किंग लाइक द इनपुट एंड ऑल्सो विद आउटपुट. कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना प्लीज. माई मोबाइल नंबर इज ऑल्सो 9411002258. You can write any query at this WhatsApp number and ask any questions related to topics. Okay, thank you. All the best.